like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel DVCraft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper wheel. So let's get started. First we will take a craft paper, then fold it in triangle. Open it and again fold it in triangle. Open it and fold it like this way. And this part like this way. Now follow the procedure. And fold like this way. Flip it and again fold it same way. Now fold this part like this way. And this part fold like this way to make tail. And our whale is almost ready. Here I have blue color paper. Let's cut water droplet. And stick it. Now let's take sketch pen and draw your eyes. And a whale is ready to swim. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.